Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play See You in My Dreams on guitar. We will begin by tackling the song's memorable main riff. This riff primarily uses the G and B strings, focusing on the 7th and 9th frets. Pay close attention to your finger placement and practice the hammer-ons and pull-offs to ensure a fluid sound. This foundational riff sets the tone for the entire piece, so take your time mastering it. Next, let's explore the underlying harmony that supports the melody. While it's an instrumental, you can often hear implied chord progressions, such as a minor and G major. Try arpeggiating these chords to give your playing more depth and a richer sound. Concentrate on picking each note cleanly, ensuring good string separation. This will help you understand the song's harmonic structure and add texture to your performance. Now, let's focus on the various melodic phrases throughout the song. Breaking the piece into smaller sections makes it easier to learn and memorize. Pay attention to dynamics. Playing some parts softly and others with more intensity adds emotional depth. Incorporate techniques like vibrato and string bends to give your notes character and expression. These elements are crucial for capturing the song's emotive quality. Finally, let's discuss some essential practice and performance tips. Always use a metronome to build solid timing and a consistent rhythm. Recording yourself playing is an excellent way to objectively assess your progress and pinpoint areas that require more attention. Start slowly, focusing on accuracy, and then gradually increase your speed. Consistent practice will help you master this beautiful instrumental piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.